Question number 10. Find adjoint of A given the adjoint matrix. We write what is the given adjoint matrix. Adjoint of A is equal to the matrix 1 0 1 0 2 0 minus 1 0 1. To find the adjoint of this matrix, adjoint of the given adjoint of A, we have seen the shortcut method in the previous video. We start with the middle column with the middle element, move downwards, and then we move upwards. Write the elements as proceeding 2 0 0 2. Next we move on to the last column, proceed the same way 0 1 1 0. Now moving on to the first column 0 minus 1 1 0. Again coming to the second column 2 0 0 2. Now we write the adjoint of A. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0 gives us 2, 0 minus 0 gives us 0, 0 minus 2 gives us minus 2. Next 0 minus 0 gives us 0, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 2, 0 minus 0 gives us 0, 0 minus of minus 2 gives us plus 2, 0 minus 0 gives us 0, and 2 minus 0 gives us 2. This is adjoint of the given adjoint of A. Next question number 11. A is equal to the given matrix. Show that A transpose into A inverse is equal to the matrix cos 2x minus sin 2x cos x. So we write what the given matrix, A matrix, where A is equal to 1 tan x minus tan x 1. To find the A inverse, first we find what is determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of 1 tan x minus tan x 1, which is equal to 1 minus of minus tan square x. So gives us 1 plus tan square x, which is equal to secant square x. Secant square x can be written as 1 by cos square x. Now next we find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, we know the shortcut method. So interchange the diagonal elements. Diagonal element is 1 and 1. Interchange the sign of the non-diagonal elements. So gives us minus tan x and tan x. This is adjoint of A. Now for this we find what is A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is equal to 1 by cos square x into the adjoint, that is 1 minus tan x 1. So we rewrite this A inverse. A inverse can be written as is equal to cos square x into 1 minus tan x 1. We have found what is A inverse. Next we are going to find A matrix. A matrix is equal to 1 tan x minus tan x 1. A transpose, in the transpose matrix, the first column can be written as, so transpose can be written as 1 minus tan x. The second column becomes the second row. This is A transpose. Now we take the product of 2 and 1. Product RHS in the given question, we are going to ask to find the product of the given two matrices. So product of the transpose and the inverse will be is equal to 1 minus tan x 1 into A inverse. We have found the answer cos square x into 1 minus tan x 1. Now we take the product of these two matrices. So product gives us, this is equal to, you know, the multiplication of two matrices, first row, first column elements, we write in the product, which is equal to cos square x into 1 minus tan x into tan x gives us minus tan square x. Next we multiply the first row and the second column elements. So gives us 1 into 1 gives us 1. 1 into minus tan x gives us minus tan x. 1 into minus tan x gives us minus tan x minus tan x. Next we multiply the second row in the first column. second row and the first column we multiply, we get tan x plus tan x. Next we multiply the second row and the second column. Multiplying second row, second column, we get minus tan square x plus 1. Now this is equal to cos square x into 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x, 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x. Now we multiply cos square x inside the bracket. Multiply cos square x inside the bracket. So the first element, we multiply cos square x. You see what we get? Cos square x into 1 minus tan square x. Tan square x can be written as cos square x into 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x. Multiply cos square inside the bracket. We get cos square x minus cos square x gets cancelled. So the next term will be sin square x. Now cos square x minus sin square x. Next we multiply cos square for the next element. Multiplying cos square for the second x. Cos square x into minus 2 tan x, which can be written as cos square x into minus 2 into sin x divided by cos x. So here when cos gets cancelled, we get minus 2 sin x cos x. So this will be minus 2 sin x cos x. The next element, this here, this is minus 2 tan x, this is 2 tan x. So here also we get 2 sin x cos x. Now these two elements are same, so we get cos square x minus sin square x. We apply the formula now for this formula. Cos square x minus sin square x can be written as this is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x sin 2x cos 2x. This is the product of A transpose into A inverse. Checking the question, this is equal to RHS.